This is Matt, reporting for Magikid. I recently visited IPC APEX Expo, and that's the Association for Connecting Electronics Industries. And there are lots of demos and companies showcasing the many things they have regarding things like printed circuit boards, and among other electronics. This company makes thin copper sheets that can be used to make resistors, or even heating elements. Other companies focus on waterproofing electronics, taking hot plastic, put the electronics in even with exposed wires like this, and close the mold and inject the plastic. After just a few moments, you can take the pieces out, and the plastic is already cool enough to touch. This company shows how they can take a circuit and print it onto any substrate, any type of paper or glass, or even objects that are around, such as this 3D printed object. In fact, the whole project could be on one CAD file, and they could print the circuit on it, and then cover it with plastic. Just like this piece, you can't see the electronics at all. There were also lots of manufacturing robots on display. Some robots, like this one, could pick up sheets and move it from one space to another, using several suction cups. This robot has a camera that takes a picture before it picks it up and moves it along the conveyor belt. This robot shows the soldering process, along with a camera that inspects its work as it goes along. You'll notice that this robot has several different hands. This robot can pick up, move the items from one place to the next. It even has a little slot as it closes the lid to go to the next step. This robot shows the process of inspecting as it looks for any errors that might have happened during the production of the circuit board. Sometimes even more complex inspecting and testing has to take place. So this robot takes completed boards and places them in a machine that runs through a series of tests to make sure the board is working properly. And when it's done, it picks it up and puts it back and moves on to the next board. Thanks, robot. This demo shows the process a robot uses to pick up smaller components, place them on the board, and is even able to pick it up and move it into position for the next part of the assembly line. With larger boards, you might have several different types of components, and this robot's showing what it looks like with multiple pieces being placed at once. Once the circuit boards are done, you'll need a robot to ship it out to the next location. And robots don't just work, they play too. This robot takes a picture and uses its club to hit the ball with enough force. Woohoo, hole in one! And now it's time for a workout. 1, 2, 3, lift. At the end of the day, I was able to meet with some friends of Magikid, and they told me about their warehouse that produces all sorts of circuit boards for all types of electronics. What an adventure!